What's up guys, in this video I'm going to be talking about eXp stock. So I'm super excited because there's this research investment firm called Zacks. And Zacks actually named eXp as the bull of the day. It was the #1 strong buy. And I'll show you the article in a second and link it up in the show notes. But I mean, that's just super cool. For a while, it was as a hold. I think I saw even a long time it was a sell. But right now, it is a buy #1 because Zacks recognizes that in a changing market, especially specifically to real estate with things going virtual, that eXp is poised for massive success. I talked to a lot of agents about eXp, and one thing that I get a lot that is a little bit crazy to me is the fact that they'll say eXp stock isn't worth all that much. And yeah, it's not trading for $100 a share or $900 a share like Tesla was, and they're way down too. Even in the midst of everything going on right now, we're still around $8, $9 a share, which is pretty cool. And even if it was $1 a share, my question to you, if you're not with eXp, how much stock has your brokerage given you? I've been with the company now about 3 years, and I've been given around 10,000 shares of stock. Now we have a few different ways you can earn stock. You can become an icon agent, which basically means you cap. So once you pay in $16,000 into the company and you go on a 100% commission split, you cap. Then you keep 100% of your commissions, except you pay a $250 transaction fee on your next 20 transactions. Once you do that, you get your entire $16,000 back in stock, which is so cool. My first year at the company, I was awarded Icon Agent. The stock then was worth around $2.50 a share. So that initial $16,000 that I paid in is valued more than $45,000 today because I still have that stock, haven't sold it. So I actually got paid to be at eXp. Every year when you sell your first house, you get stock. Every year when you cap, you get stock. When you refer an agent to the company and they sell their first house, you get stock. We also have an agent equity program where when you sell a house, you can take 5% of your commissions and tell eXp, hey, invest that into the company's stock, and you can actually be receiving that stock at a 10% discount off market value. Now that's pretty cool. So with all that being said, at my former company, what I would get when I capped was, it's kind of funny, it's a piece of paper with a cap on it that says capper, you know, like a ball cap that says capper, not even a frame, so I couldn't even hang it on my wall. And that's a big deal because my cap used to be $25,000. Here it's only $16,000 and I'm getting stock. Absolutely cool, absolutely love it. Let's take a look here at the article real quick. I have it pulled up. One of the things that it says that I absolutely love, I'm just gonna read it as it's written. Today's bull of the day is a stock from an industry at risk, real estate. However, their forward-thinking approach is changing the way the industry does business. They're talking about eXp. That's the parent company to eXp. Also owns other companies like Virbela and a lot of other affiliated services that we have. The ticker symbol is eXp. Another thing I hear sometimes from agents not with eXp, and really it's like just misinformation from their brokers that they're trying to spread around to make eXp look bad so their agents don't make a switch, is the fact that eXp wasn't profitable net. So there's a lot of different ways to look at a financial sheet. I'm not a financial analyst, and this video is not intended to recommend to buy eXp stock or sell it. So I'm not talking about that. This is solely my opinion, full disclaimer. But what's cool is net, this past quarter, the fourth quarter of 2019, eXp showed a profit net. Our cash flow has always been strong. eXp also doesn't hold debt. Another thing that I hear is, you know, our company's privately owned. Well, why is that a good thing for the agent? I'm a shareholder in my company. I own a lot of stock, as well as getting revenue share. Say at Keller Williams, a privately owned company, Gary Keller owns the whole thing, and he's, from what I understand, a billionaire. And you're an agent just really working hard every day to sell houses with no additional streams of income, whereas at eXp we got 3, selling houses, the stock, and the rev share. So just some things that I want to put out there, some things to think about. I'm super excited to see the high recommendation from Zacks. That's a strong buy based on where the industry is going. They see eXp poised as really the best company to take advantage of this virtual environment that we're in today and where it's going. So hopefully this video gave you a little insight. If you're interested about having a conversation about eXp, would love to do that. Just click the link in the description and we can schedule a call and we can talk about your goals and see if eXp might be a good fit for you. We'll talk soon, guys.